Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create a noise-based gradient pattern using Python. So we'll start this by importing required libraries. So here NumPy is used to generate random noise and matplotlib.pyplot is used to display the pattern, and Gaussian filter applies a blur effect to smooth the noise into a gradient. So now we'll generate some random noise. So here np.random42, this ensures that the random values are consistent each time the code runs, and np.random 100 to 100, this creates a 100 into 100 grid of random values between 0 and 1, forming a random noise pattern. And now we'll apply Gaussian blur to create gradient effect. So this adjusts sigma for smoothness, and Gaussian filter applies a Gaussian blur to smooth out the noise, and sigma is equals to 10. This controls the amount blurring, and higher values gives smoother and more blended gradient, and lower values gives sharper, more detailed noise. So now we'll create the figure and axis. So this create a figure and axis with 6 into 6 grid inches. And now we'll display the gradient pattern. So here ax.imshow displays the smoothened noise as an image, and CMap uses the Burgess color map for a smooth color transition, and like other options plasma, magma and gray we can use, and interpolation ensures smooth transition between the pixels. And now we'll remove axis for a clean look. So these hides axis labels for a cleaner visualization. This removes the surrounding box, making the gradient the main focus. And at last, we'll add the plot title, and now we'll display the plot. So we can see a noise-based gradient pattern. So thanks for watching this video.